In this episode I'm gonna be repairing my mini chopper. I got one of those aftermarket carburetors, and I'm gonna replace it for the one it come with the 212 and see how it perform after I finish with it. So let's do it. Looks like I got everything I need to install it. I just have to remove that one and put the new one in and see how it goes. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so the mini chopper is ready, so now we're gonna take it out there for a spin. I'm not gonna take it to the street, I'm just gonna take it around the yard. So I might take it to like a parking lot and do a speed test, so see how fast it goes. But right now I'm just gonna get it out there and have some fun with it.